Welcome to the world of digital marketing, where the landscape is ever evolving and the competition is fierce. In this vibrant world, a platform has been making waves and transforming how marketers approach their campaigns. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to LeadsLeap, an advertising and marketing tools powerhouse. LeadsLeap stands out as a beacon for marketers looking for innovative ways to enhance their advertising strategies. This platform isn't just another tool in your marketing arsenal, it's a comprehensive solution designed to catapult your campaigns to new heights. With an array of features tailored to meet the needs of modern marketers, LeadsLeap is your ally in navigating the competitive waters of digital marketing. Diving into the traffic exchange system. At the heart of LeadsLeap is its ingenious traffic exchange system, a feature that exemplifies the platform's commitment to mutual benefit and community support. Imagine a place where viewing ads rewards you with valuable insights into your competitors' strategies and earns you credits. These credits are the currency within LeadsLeap, allowing you to showcase your ads to an engaged and targeted audience. This symbiotic ecosystem ensures that your marketing messages are seen by genuinely interested individuals, elevating the quality of traffic to your site. Mastering ad tracking for optimal performance. The journey doesn't end with traffic exchange. LeadsLeap takes it a step further with its state-of-the-art ad tracking system. This tool empowers you to dissect the performance of your advertisements meticulously. Track clicks, monitor conversions, and glean insights that enable you to refine your strategies precisely. The power of data-driven decision-making is at your fingertips, offering a roadmap to enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns and maximize your advertising efforts. Revolutionizing lead generation. LeadsLeap redefines lead generation with its revolutionary feature, the Real Tracker. This tool is a game changer for marketers striving to expand their email lists and convert visitors into loyal customers. You can effortlessly collect visitor information by creating captivating lead capture pages and offering irresistible free tools or resources. The Real Tracker facilitates a seamless process to nurture these leads, guiding them down the sales funnel toward becoming paying customers. Unlocking the potential of the referral program. But LeadsLeap doesn't stop at providing exceptional advertising and tracking tools. It also offers an enticing referral program that allows you to monetize your efforts and build a passive income stream. You can earn commissions based on their activities by introducing others to the platform. This incentivizes community growth and rewards you for contributing to the ecosystem's expansion. A community of support and excellence. What truly distinguishes LeadsLeap is its unwavering dedication to fostering a safe and supportive environment for marketers. The platform is meticulously monitored to maintain the quality of ads and ensure a positive experience for all users. The vibrant and engaged community offers ample opportunities to connect with like-minded professionals and share insights. It's a place where collaboration flourishes and collective success is celebrated. Why LeadsLeap? In a sea of marketing tools, LeadsLeap emerges as a lighthouse, guiding marketers toward success with its comprehensive suite of features. From its innovative traffic exchange system and precise ad tracking capabilities to its revolutionary lead generation tools and rewarding referral program, LeadsLeap equips you with everything you need to elevate your campaigns. If you're looking for a platform that can transform your marketing efforts and help you achieve remarkable results, LeadsLeap is the answer. Join the community of successful marketers who have discovered the power of LeadsLeap and are reaping the benefits of its unparalleled features. Take the first step towards transforming your marketing campaigns by joining LeadsLeap today. Sign up for free and embark on a journey that promises to take your marketing strategies to the next level. With LeadsLeap, the possibilities are endless and the potential for success is immense. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be part of this incredible platform. Join us now and let's soar to new heights in digital marketing. Thank you for tuning in. If you're keen to unlock the full potential of LeadsLeap and leverage its features for maximum impact, Don't hesitate to explore further. Click on the video link to dive deeper into the world of LeadsLeap and discover how it can revolutionize your marketing efforts. Your journey to marketing excellence starts here with LeadsLeap. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified about our next video.